Hello and welcome to the series of knowledge exclusively designed for civil engineering students and freshers who are looking forward to start career in the core civil engineering line. In this series, we are going to talk about many topics which are basic or fundamental or general topics. Apart from that, we are going to have in-depth core technical topics in the form of live webinars. Stay tuned to this series for more and more core technical knowledge, skills, and relevant experience. So let's get started with today's video. What are the constraints and restraints in structural engineering? In structural engineering, constraints and restraints refers to the methods used to limit the movement of deformation of a structure. It's a constraint. The terms are often used interchangeably, but there is a subtle difference between them. Constraints are applied to limit the movement of a structure or its components in a particular direction or plane. For example, a constraint can be applied to limit the vertical movement of a column or a beam, or to prevent a wall from moving horizontally. Now let's check out the next one, which is restraints. Restraints are used to prevent a structure or a component moving or rotating altogether. For example, a restraint can be used to prevent a beam from rotating at one end or to prevent a wall from moving in any direction. Both constraints and restraints are used in structural engineering to ensure the safety and stability of a structure. The type of constraints or restraints used depends on several factors, including the size and shape of the structure, the loads it is expected to carry, and the local building codes and regulations. It's important to note that while constraints and restraints can be used to limit movement or deformation, they can also introduce additional stresses and forces into the structure. Therefore, their design and implementation must be carefully considered to ensure that they do not compromise the overall stability and performance of the structure. So let me tell you, this is also one of the general questions asked in any structural design engineering entry-level job interview. To know these things in detail, stay tuned to our webinar series, which is coming up with Mr. Sandeep Pingale, who is our founder and MD. He's a passionate structural design engineer. So our company Econstruct is coming up with these live webinar series where these topics, which I have just told you, will be discussed in depth. And this will definitely help you to gain the right skills and knowledge which is required to start your career successfully in the structural engineering line. So check out the description box of this video for more details and stay tuned to the channel. Thank you very much.